Hello guys, this is Apex MC with another video, and today I want to show you my utility knife collection. And starting with my little Craftsman. This is a small little blade. I keep this in my my EDC bag. I did forget to show it to you when I did the update on my EDC, and very nice, good to cut any strings or any small cardboard boxes. It's great. The other one, which is the big brother, is this one here, and this one does have a standard blade. You can find this anywhere where they sell tools, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, any place like that, Sears. Of course, that's where Craftsman comes from, and also you can find them at Kmart. This is great. This is something that I use daily at work, and comes a lot better than a fixed knife, and you do not have to worry about losing the edge because this is replaceable. And by the way, you can use the blade in reverse, so you have two edges in each blade, and they will keep you going for a while. Another Craftsman here. This one I like because it's light, very simple system for replacing the blade, and what I like is got three different positions. It's got one there, two, and of course closing. It's very nice, and I do recommend this knives, especially when you have to be cutting a lot. It's comes in very handy. This one is a Kershaw Select. It comes with a fixed blade, and the reason I consider this a utility knife is because of the screwdriver and the screwdriver bit retention system. You can carry 4 bits, and this is something that you can use a lot. You can put any bits with a 1/4-inch shaft. You can use any type of bits, Torx, Allen screwdrivers, anything like that. It comes with two flat heads and 2 Phillips. Very nice, and comes with from the factory with a nice edge. And that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you today. It's my my utility knives. And until then, talk to you later.